everyone, my name is Siti NurWardina binti Awang. Today, I will present to you about Bio 661 Animal Behavior Field Trip Report. Observation of elephant were taking place at Zoo Kemaman. Based on a field observation made while visiting Zoo Kemaman, this study focused on the behavior of Asian elephants that were kept there. The study is aimed to understanding how these animals interact with their animals, how they behave in a captive setting compared to the wild, and whether the condition provided by the zoo sufficient to meet their physical and psychological needs. So, for introduction, elephants are among the most iconic and intelligent land mammals, known for their advanced cognitive abilities, complex social structure, and strong memory. The Asian elephant plays a significant ecological role as a keystone species in a forest ecosystem, where it contributes to seed dispersal, landscape sharing, and biodiversity maintenance. These animals live in matriarchal family groupings in the wild and display a variety behavior, including foraging for a variety of plants, traveling great distance, and forming strong social relationships with other members of the herd. One of the well-known regional zoos in Malaysia is called Zoo Kemaman and Recreational Park. It was funded to encourage environmental education and an appreciation of wildlife, and it is situated in the state of Terengganu. Asian elephants are among inhabitants where there are houses in a semi-natural habitat that let us get up close and personal with them. So, the objective of this field trip is to observe and document elephant behavior patterns, which is feeding, movement, social interaction during the visit, and to compare observed behavior with known natural behavior of wild Asian elephant, which is feeding time and social grouping. Significance of the study is from an educational perspective. It enables students to apply theoretical knowledge in a real-world context, enhancing their understanding of animal biology, behavior, and conservation issues. Elephant observation in a controlled setting to develop analytical and observational abilities and critical thinking, all of which are important for scientific study and wildlife management. The study also may uncover opportunities for enhancement to the elephant life, such as altering cages, offering environmental enrichment or modifying food and care schedule. Along with encouraging responsible tourism and tourist love of animal, it is also back initiative to advance moral standard in zoos. The methodology of the field trip: first, after we arrive at Zoo Kemaman, we need to observe individual elephant behavior. After that, we need to focus on the behavioral of elephant. After that, we need to follow the observation of the procedure. Then, we need to analyze the data that we have. For the focus of behavioral of elephant, we have 4 types of social behavior and 3 types of non-social behavior. 4 types of social behavior is spraying water on body, resting on ground, flapping ears, and play fighting. And for non-social behavior, which is feeding, drinking, and walking. Oh looks, there were 2 elephants play fighting. It is a clearly social behavior involving interaction between elephants using trunk wrestling or gentle pushing. Then, there one elephant was feeding themselves. It also can be seen here the elephant lift one of their leg. Also, there were elephants were flapping their ears. While it helps in cooling, ear flapping may also be used as a form of communication or as a reaction to social stimuli. There were also 2 elephants were spraying water on body. This action may serve a cooling or cleaning purpose, but when done in the presence of others, it can have social implication. So, based on this graph, the number of frequency for social behavior is higher than non-social behavior. The higher frequency of social behavior observed in the elephant during the 1 hour period is likely due to their inherently social nature and the interactive environment in which they were observed. Elephants are known for their complex social structure and frequent use of physical gesture and interaction to communicate and bond with one another. Behaviors such as flapping ears, play fighting, and resting together are common and easily observed. Additionally, the range of recorded social behavior may have been broader than non-social behavior, contributing to the higher overall count. The setting and timing of the observation may have also encouraged more social interaction than solitary activity. So we move to the behavior frequency graph. The observed behavior in elephants during the season reflect a wide range of adaptive response related to thermoregulation, social bonding, comfort, and environmental awareness. Each behavior corresponds with well-documented patterns in elephant ethology, supporting the idea that elephants express complex and multifunctional behavior in both wild and managed settings. The spraying of water onto the body is primarily a thermoregulatory behavior. Elephants lack sweat glands and therefore rely on behavioral strategies such as water spraying and mud bathing to cool their bodies and protect their skin from sun and parasite. The action of lifting one front leg is commonly associated with investigative or alert posture. Elephants have been observed to lift a leg while sensing vibration through the ground or when preparing to move cautiously in response to uncertain stimuli. Also, an elephant lying on the ground may indicate a state of rest, play, or security. In wild setting, elephants typically sleep while standing but may lie down for deep rest when in secure groups. The instant of play fighting involving trunk wrestling and pushing is a vital social development activity, especially common in adolescent elephants. Such behavior allows individuals to practice motor coordination, establish social rank, and form long-term bonds. Last, fanning of the ears serves two important purposes. First, thermoregulation and emotional signaling. The large ear of elephant contain extensive blood vessels and act like thermal radiator when elephants flap their ears. It promotes heat loss through convection. In conclusion, this study provides valuable insight into the behavior and welfare of Asian elephant housed at Zoo Kemaman. Through observation, it was found that this species exhibit a range of behavior that were typically of their natural repertoire, such as water spraying, play fighting, ear flapping, and resting. The result demonstrate how important it is to design cage that closely mimic natural environment and provide enough environmental enrichment to support the elephant's typical behavior. It is crucial to keep an eye on behavior and improve husbandry techniques to make sure zoos are meeting the physical and mental needs of their animal in addition to housing them. Ifat, mana Ifat?